World Tarot card is the last major arcana, therefore representing the end of the quest that started out with the Fool. It's the pinnacle of spiritual evolution, at least for this lifetime, when we're supposed to have perfected our current incarnation to its fullest potential. The crown we see on the picture is a symbol of self-fulfillment and of victory over difficulties. The person in the middle has finally achieved cosmic union after several stages of spiritual ascension, reaching a higher vibrational frequency. Upright, the World card is very positive, even if the other cards are not. It will lift the whole reading up. It predicts completion, integration, accomplishment, success, and rewards. It means obstacles will be overcome. It can also announce joyful times and celebrations, especially to celebrate an achievement of several years, such as graduating. If you've been working on something for a while, this marks the happy ending of your quest, such as finally getting published if you're a writer, becoming famous after trying for long, or receiving recognition or prizes for long-term efforts. It can also predict the birth of a baby. In love, it's also a positive omen. It can either mean a relationship is successfully moving to the next level, especially if it's marriage, or meeting a good partner for singles, maybe while traveling. The World upright is also the card that usually shows up when two soulmates have been separated or tested by fate, and are now finally allowed to reunite to enjoy each other. All the lessons are done and dusted, and the karma is cleared, so now they're free to just be together. It's basically the happy final reunion of a twin flame journey, if you believe in those. In work or business, the World upright is good, especially for succeeding in any project. It can predict an opportunity abroad or a trip. If you've been feeling out of place, this card says you're about to finally find your life purpose. No matter what the context is, this card says that everything is moving according to an intended arrangement. You can rest assured that your destiny unfolds at its proper pace, leading you towards the goals of your life. In health, the World upright is a good sign for longevity, vitality, and the immune system. It's a great omen for an easy delivery of a baby. Its timing can be fast depending on other cards, or in the course of summer. Reversed, the World card predicts obstacles and setbacks, but nothing too serious. Most of times, it's the inquirer who is being too impatient. This card invites you to have faith and wait for divine timing. Nothing happens prematurely with this card, and it's for the best. Sometimes, depending on the context, the World reversed is an invitation to deal with unfinished business, and you may be stuck as long as you do not clear it out for once and for all. In love, the World reversed can mean that there are communication issues within an existing relationship, or lack of closure with an ex, especially for singles. It can also signal the separation phase of a twin flame journey, when soulmates feel like they belong together, yet fate keeps separating or testing them. If you're meant to be together, it can happen, just not now. So focus on other aspects of your life for the moment. The universe wants you to learn a few more lessons, or clear some old karma before reuniting with your loved one. At work or in business, it could mean lack of completion of tasks or aborted projects. You may not have received rewards for past efforts, in which case you've been wasting energy and time on the wrong path. Sometimes, it can mean not being able to find one's life purpose. However, this is not all bad, as you are still progressing according to a plan, just not the one you think. You may not feel like it, but you are in harmony with a plan the universe has for you. Even if events seem to drag forever, the pace is correct as per divine will. In health, the world reversed can show problems with the immune system or inflammation issues. If this applies, it can warn against premature birth of a baby.